Now ensure the wall plate is level against the house wall, and you can now secure into place by pre-drilling using a 6.5mm SDS drill bit, and secure it with the 100mm direct-to-brick fixings. At this stage, you should seal between the wall and the wall plate before continuing. Now insert a weatherproof seal, and then the top cap. Secure into place by gently tapping with a nylon hammer. In this example, the conservatory has a top cap. However, if the pitch is below 5 degrees, this will not be the case for your conservatory. Instead, you should silicone seal to the house and then dress with lead. The next step is to add lead flashing to ensure everything has a watertight seal. Measure and then grind out the mortar and add a line of silicone, and insert the lead flashing before sealing. We recommend using code 4 lead,